Good day, this is Jason E. URK21CS1079 is here to explain the zeroth experiment, that is verification of logic gates. So we have basic gates and universal gates. Basic gates consist of AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and the universal gates consist of NAND gate and NOR gate. So first we have AND gate. AND gate consists of two input and single output. The operation for AND gate will be multiplication. So when we run this, we'll be getting the truth table for AND gate. So when we give 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0, 0 1 is 0, but when we give 1 1 it is 1. So the truth table for AND gate will be 0 0 0, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. When two inputs are 1, the output will be high. So next will be NAND gate. NAND gate is also be called as not AND gate. It has two input and single output. So when we run this, we'll be getting the truth table for NAND gate. So when we give 0 0, it is 1. When we give 0 1 is 1. When we give 1 0 is 1. When we give 1 1, it will be 0. The truth table for NAND gate will be 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. When any one of the input is equal to 0, the output is high. So the next gate will be OR gate. OR gate consists of two inputs and one output. The operation for OR gate will be addition. So when we run this, we'll be getting the truth table for OR gate. 0 0 is 0, 0 1 is 1, 1 0 will be 1, and the 1 1 will be also 1. So the truth table for OR gate will be 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 1. Output is high when any one of the input is high. So next we have NOR gate. NOR gate can also be called as not OR gate. So it has two input and single output. So when we run this, we'll be getting the truth table for NOR gate. 0 0 is 1, 1 0 is 0, 0 1 will be 0, and 1 1 will be also 0. So the truth table for NOR gate will be 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 0. When both the inputs are 0, the output is high. The next we have NOT gate. NOT gate consists of one input and one output. So the NOT gate is also called as inverter gate. So when we run this, we will be getting the truth table for NOT gate. So when we give 0, it is 1. When we give 1, it is 0. The NOT gate truth table will be 0 1 1 0. The output is complement of the input. So at last we have XOR gate. XOR gate consists of two input and single output. So when we run this, we will be getting the truth table for OR gate, XOR gate. 0 0 0, 1 0 will be 1, 0 1 will be 1. So when we give 1 1, it is 0. The truth table for XOR gate will be 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. Produces a high output only when an odd number of input is high. So with this, I would like to conclude my experiment. Thank you.